Hi, this is Ollie from TaskTag and I want to show you our checklist feature. We create checklists because when you're on the fly with projects and you're moving fast with them, sometimes you need to generate repeatable tasks that you would do across different projects in a quick checklist. So, if you go into a project and click on the checklist function, you can either start from scratch and create your own checklist, or you can use a template that's already been designed to very quickly populate your project with tasks that need to be performed, all depending on what you're doing within the construction of your project. You can also create the checklist from scratch and save it so that you can use it for some of your other projects. So that is our introduction to checklists within TaskTag.